They called me a fool for starting an electric car company.
Positive. So,
did it
we really tried hard to convince a lot of companies. Honestly, I was in so many panels, but generally the sentiment that was expressed that you mentioned earlier, that was pretty much universal. Especially back in, say, 2008 or 2007, like when we first unveiled the Roadster in 2007. Yeah, I mean, it was just basically, they just said, well, you're basically a bunch of fools. Well, I mean, generally they would say, like, well, starting a car company is crazy. You're going to lose all your money. I was like, I think I probably will lose all my money. I agree. It wasn't like I thought it would be successful. I thought we had maybe a 10% chance of success. So then people would say, it's going to fail and you're going to lose everything. I was like, yeah, probably true. Yeah. What else is new?
A couple of years